For better or worse, I got the boat. Now it's time to clean. Horrible. Hello. You know, this should be a job for Mike Rowe. I hear he likes this sort of thing. So here I am. I don't know if you can understand it, but I've got my bleach right here, and obviously mask and everything. I don't think anything can be alive down here right now, but to show you some progress, I took out all the foam matting here so far, and I've got this part relatively clean. You know, you remember all that mold that was on there. So this side is done here. I'm starting over here. I got this clean once, I'm going to do it again, and then I got to get into all this here. Everything's been sprayed down so far, so it should be fairly non-toxic as far as the mold goes, but see, this should be dead everywhere, but it's still a horrible mess. Alright, just a little update. I've been doing some cleaning, and I still have a long ways to go, but I thought I'd show the progress here. The galley is still a ill-conceived mess, but I've got that pretty much well semi-clean there, and this area here is just kind of ugly anyway, but got all the mold off the cabinetry, it's drying, and over that back wall that used to be white is now brown. You can see there was some standing water in here. That one of those cushions was just soaked. That's disgusting. So we gotta let all this dry out. I gotta throw away all that foam. Just got back from running a little errand, and I'm amazed. It doesn't smell like mold, it doesn't smell like bleach. Just pretty nice down here. Getting ready to tackle the kitchen embarrassment. Just have a good look at this under the companionway sink. Inaccessible icebox. Corner thing that you can't even reach. Weird stove platform that's too small. It's all just bad. I'm somewhat unsure of this. I just don't know. I found an exciting thing. It's not that there's music. Check that out. That's not very good. Alright. Try that again. Check that out. You know what that is? That's the base for the stove. Cool. Ta-da! Stove! And a place to stand while you're at the stove. Suddenly, things are awesome!
Lance presents the whole grain sandwich. It's too
Yuck. Alright. Well, we got all sorts of extra wiring here. I don't like to have a lot of joints, so instead of just clipping here and connecting that, I'm going to go ahead and clip back one set, so we only have one connector to fail, because less failing is good if it can be avoided. actually marine wire. It's tinned, not just copper, so that's cool. Do I have marine quality connectors? No, of course not. Because I'm cheap and because I'm poor. And for these reasons, this boat is probably going to sink. Okay. Clip that, clamp it on, and voila! The bilge pump should work. Flip that on there. Emergency cross connect. Key is in the on position, and who knows if this is even going to work. Okay, so now the house batteries are obviously dead, so I'm going to connect this battery, which is brand new, known to be good, to the house batteries, which are dead as doornails, but they're good batteries. They're actually not that old. Okay, so we're connected. And down there is zero pump happening. So, I don't know if you can see this, but the onboard bilge pump appears to be currently inoperable, so I'm kind of trying to jimmy rig a $18 Walmart job. Oh, it does a thing. Whoa, gross. Apparently that's all you get for $18 at Walmart, but it's a pretty constant stream. It'll empty eventually. Someday.